Hi everyone, so welcome to video 2 of 22K Fall Act 2. This is a very short video unless they bring some other pieces, which I will show you if they do, just because the pieces are coming and they only have 20% of their inventory so far. So let me show you the tag for this one. This is, this was a pretty desired sweater. I don't know, it actually feels like it. So this button, by the way, is what you'll see on a lot of this particular collection. So the fabric on this, I'm hoping it's not wool. Feels like it could be cashmere or wool. Is 100% cashmere. Okay, so we're good there. Here's a matching skirt to it. It's definitely past the knee length. Again, the really cool buttons. Actually, the dress I have on is from 22K. I'll show you here in just a minute. This is also a size 38. Difficult price to justify. And here is the tag for those of you interested. Same skirt you saw in my last video one. I'm waiting for the matching piece to it, so my fashion advisor is hanging on to it, but to me it's a little too salmon, but we'll see. We'll try it. This is actually an older piece. This is 22B, but I have the pants, and I know many of you watched that video, my Paris video, so I'll put it up in the cards, and you can take a look at what the jacket looks like. So really the only three new pieces are these three, and this is kind of the new outfit. So it'll be a relatively short video, but hopefully worth it for those of you that are trying to get a jump start on pieces that will sell out quickly. Hi everyone, so this is the dress you saw in my last video, the first one for 22K. I actually did purchase this dress. I think it's a nice everyday casual dress. It's super comfortable. I went up a size to a 40. You can see from the back, it goes from parent-teacher conference to work, and that's why I ended up purchasing it. So if you're interested, this is it's in my last video one, which I'll link up in the cards. I'm going to try the few pieces that I have from today, and we'll try them out. All right, so this is 22B, but there are a few left out there. There's also some dresses. The pants are only in Europe that I know of. I don't know any store out here that has them. Just wanted to show you this piece before I kick off the rest of 22K. This is the piece that has a lot of color in it, as you can see. So it looks like a lot of jewels. I think it should be part of cruise, but apparently I'm the only one that thinks that. So anyhow, the cruise jacket from fall. Now I'll go ahead and try on 22K. All right, everyone, so this is the only other outfit. There was a gray sweater, but they brought it in and out too fast for me to get a video, but I'll do it another day. So let me come in a little bit. You can see this top on. This is a 38. The fashion advisor thought it was too big here. The tailor thought it was perfect. I think it's just comfortable and I like it that way, so I'm not gonna mess with it. But let me show you the whole outfit because I know this one was on a lot of your wish lists and a lot of you had mentioned it. There we go. I got the whole image. All right. So we have to give this one a nickname. They look like cherry blossoms. I'm just going to call it the cherry blossom outfit. I think it's super cute. The price is crazy for these two pieces, in my opinion, but I think it's beautiful. And I think it goes from day to evening casual very well. I'll just back up a little more so you can see the whole picture. And then the buttons on the skirt, right, this is a very awkward angle. You can see really similar, well, the same as the denim dress. So that seems to be a theme for this particular collection. So I'll face the mirror so you can see the front here. You can actually see the length, right? It's about 3 inches below my knee. Hopefully you can see that in the mirror if I back up enough. Get to the right, get to the left. Yeah, so cherry blossom outfit. I don't know if that's what it is, but it's pretty cute. Here's the design from the back. You can see how it looks in both mirrors, hopefully. Still trying to get the angles. Every fitting room has a different situation. So anyway, I hope this helps you make some initial choices. Again, it's a very short video, but some initial choices on 22K, Fall Act 2. And if you enjoy this, please hit subscribe and you'll be notified. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified of additional content. And thank you as always for your support.